Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, I thought it would be really fun since Thanksgiving is right around the corner that I share with you a recipe. This is actually a new recipe that I'm gonna be trying out. It was my grandmother's cake recipe. It's a sour cream pound cake recipe. We're gonna be trying it out together. So we're making it as a family today, which is really exciting. And while the cake is in the oven, we are going to be putting together our Thanksgiving tablescape. I got a bunch of stuff actually from Walmart that we're gonna put together on the table. It's gonna look so nice, so festive. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, if you wanna make a cake with us and decorate our table for Thanksgiving, then please just keep on watching. But before we get into today's video, I wanna thank our sponsor, Walmart. I have found so many amazing Black Friday deals that I wanted to share with you all. The first ones are these earrings. They're by the brand Kate and Chloe, and I think they're so cute. They're perfect for every day. And next up is this sweater. I'm literally decked out in Walmart right now. This cable knit sweater is a staple. Like, it's so comfortable, it's so cozy. It's lightweight, but it's still knit. It's still gonna keep me cozy and warm, but not too much. She's not doing too much. Okay, and next up, I wanted to share my bedding. These sheets, it actually came in a set. They're so soft. I love the gray color. It came with 2 pillowcases, a top sheet, and a fitted sheet. And I just feel like it complements like the rest of the bedding so well. This is what the pillowcases look like. I just have them in the back. Very soft, like I said. Okay, and then moving on to the bathroom, this towel set. I got these body towels, and it actually came with 2 of each. So 2 body towels, 2 washcloths, and 2 hand towels. It complements the bathroom. Super affordable. It's pretty much got everything you need. Okay, and next up are these Scrub Daddy products. This is a cleaning cream, which I plan on using here in the kitchen. And then I also got a Scrub Mommy and Scrub Daddy. Okay, you guys, those are just a few of the many Walmart Black Friday deals. You definitely have to check them out. I actually have a Walmart storefront that I try to keep linked in the description box. I keep it linked to my bio on Instagram as well. So check it out. I'll have a section filled with like even more Black Friday deals if you're shopping. So thank you to Walmart for sponsoring today's video. All right, you guys, we are here as a family. We're about to make this recipe. Fingers crossed it turns out good. I don't know if I can make it as good as my grandmother used to, but I think it's gonna turn out pretty good. Yeah. So let's get into it. First things first, we have to cream the butter and the sugar together. We've got 3 cups of sugar. Go ahead. Mama, and 2 sticks of sugar.
Butter.
Of butter. 2 sticks of butter.
It says my name. Now can I?
It says Breville. Go ahead.
Oh Lord.
Okay, here we go.
It's time to bring them up. Why did you crank it off that high? Mama,
Crank it louder.
I can't see it.
Can you see it, guys?
Yeah.
Archie, scoot down. His reel is smaller.
It's actually getting on me.
No, it's not. That's just the air. It's just the wind.
Mama, why did you crank it off again?
Oh.
Did you have it zoomed in?
No.
I don't like sugar and butter.
Whoville, baby, Whoville.
Yeah.
Rob, scoot out for a second. Kids, lean in.
Is it fluffy now? Is it fluffy now?
I mean, it looks fluffy. Okay, now that this is fluffy, let's do the eggs. Hold on.
Wait, RG.
I'm doing eggs.
Is that an egg?
Look at
Okay,
it.
there's
I haven't
one.
coughed yet. I know.
Go ahead, Archie.
Wait, I think you need to move.
Move, Bree.
Step over, Bree.
Hold on, let's scoot this up. Okay, go ahead, Archie. Here we go, good. That's egg number 2.
Oh Lord.
Okay, good job.
Make sure there's nothing in there.
There's a little bit of shell.
Shiny
I
shell.
don't like it. You shiny hurt myself. Can you help me? Excuse
Do you
me.
need a spoon?
I think that's it. I think I got it. Oh, wait.
Mama, no, I did not touch it.
Got
She
it.
got it.
All right, Bree, your turn. Come on.
It's not gonna hurt you.
Switch, Archie. Switch with Bree.
It's not gonna hurt you. Just lightly tap it until it breaks.
It's
you go.
broken.
Yay.
Please, can I wash my hands, please?
Go ahead. Good job. That's okay. I got it. I know, it's gonna be messy. It's all right.
Oh, it says to beat it after each addition.
Oh, wow.
What is that?
Well, might as well just go ahead and finish
Yeah.
it.
What does that mean?
Okay, well, we did that part wrong. That's okay.
What does that mean?
It means after each egg, you're supposed to mix it.
Hey, what's still turning out
What,
the
green?
same.
I think so. Wash your hands.
Mama, it's actually touching it.
Good job, guys.
Whoa, it's starting to look
Alright,
like
after
a
this, it says to add the flavorings.
Ooh, yay!
It's so much like a slushy.
Add flour, measure after sifting.
Mama.
Cream alternate. Add flour and cream alternate.
Okay, now it's time to, oh, there's nothing in this. Wait,
Right
where the
here.
flavor, oh, okay, now it's time to add the flavorings. This is just, what's in here, RG?
Vanilla extract, lemon extract, orange extract.
And do you remember the last one?
No,
Almond.
almond.
Almond extract. Okay, let's go.
Starts with a W.
Almond extract. Almond extract.
Good job, Bree. All right, now time to mix it. This smells incredible.
Mama, what do you have?
Thank you, Mama. Okay, now it's time for flour and sour cream.
Don't we have to put?
No, you have to alternate between this and the sour cream.
Okay.
And it's gonna continue to get thicker, but like a little more creamy at the same time.
It don't look like that anymore. Actually, it's turning yellow.
This is what makes it look like a cake.
It looks like that.
Let's get that sour cream in
Mama, are we gonna add cream to ours?
Oh wow, look at it now, guys.
Yeah,
Whoa.
it's getting thicker.
That is so good.
It's like a knocker.
Can we try cream now? Where are we gonna sour cream? Sour.
In front of the other.
Like a pattern.
Sour cream foam. Sour cream foam.
Oh my God! What's doing that to it? Why is it still yellow? Flour. Mama. Why is the butter so powerful? When is it gonna change it?
And then it says.
Ow. Brianna, why did you stop like Brianna, why?
All right.
This thing is salt.
Time for the salt.
Stop. Stop. Bree, stop. You're gonna be the one to get electrocuted. I don't want to.
Stop that. That's not funny.
It's really not. Like, that's kind of why.
All right, guys, the kids went to go get their iPads. It's just us. And now it's time to pour the batter into the pan. If I can get this out. Okay, here we
Oh,
go.
my lord.
I got it.
Okay, alright, go ahead.
Okay, you guys, everything is ready. The oven is preheated. Imagine if I just, So we're gonna put it in the oven for, the recipe says an hour and 45 minutes, which seems like a lot of time. That is a lot of time. That's like a full kids movie, which is probably what we'll end up doing. So let's put this in the oven. And actually, you know what? While this bakes, we're gonna do the tablescape. We're doing the Thanksgiving tablescape while this is in the oven. When it's finished, we can put it on a cake stand and enjoy on our new table setting. So let's put it in. I have tablecloths, I've got placemats, I've got plates, I've got a bunch of different things just to make it feel more cozy, more warm for the Thanksgiving holiday. And I'm just picturing the cake like kind of in the middle. I think it's gonna be really cute. So if you keep up with the channel, you know we just did a dining room makeover fully. It looks so good in there. We have a dining room table, chairs, like it's its own room. You would think we'd be eating in there, but I'm telling you, you guys, every single Thanksgiving, we end up eating in the breakfast nook, or at least that's where we congregate as a family the most. So I wanted to put a tablescape together here in the breakfast nook. We have our tablecloths, we have our traditional Thanksgiving plates that we use every single year. I love how the placemats really pop up against the tablecloth and the plates, the napkins. I'm really enjoying like mixing patterns, and I feel like the napkins with the stripes, it wouldn't be necessarily like your first choice with what you would pair with this tablescape, but I feel like it complements each other because of the tones incorporated incorporated into it. And as we were finishing up the tablescape, the cake timer went off. This is what it looks like. It definitely rose in the oven, which I completely forgot about, but I feel like it's not that bad. It's like a little bit risen, but it's fine. We were really like munching on the top of it, and you guys, this tasted incredible. We loved it. Okay, you guys, this is what the cake looks like when we flipped it. Well, I was gonna say upside down, but it's really right side up. It looks incredible. You guys have to try this. We have been eating kind of the bottom of it when it was flipped in the pan. We've been eating the crust and it was good. This looks so good. I just feel like my grandma is definitely looking down, very proud of us making this cake. The kids really like it. I mean, I told you we've been eating the bottom of it. This is our first time making it and it looks perfect. The pan with the little indents here, like it looks professional. Rob, like,
this looks really good.
Guys, doesn't it look so good? Whoa, Archie, wait.
Can we eat that one? We got this from
Okay, so we're gonna cut it. We're gonna have some slices. I'm just really proud.
I'm supposed to.
So proud.
I can't wait to eat this whole thing
my
up.
God.
I'm supposed to put.
And this is what.
Riella, please be quiet for a
Yeah,
moment.
that's her recipe. Okay, you guys, and this is what it looks like on the tablescape. I wanted to show you with everything kind of put together. And I think it just looks so festive. We are clearly ready to celebrate Thanksgiving. I mean, we've got a cake. We got to get the rest of the food, but we've at least got the cake. We're going to try it. We're going to dig in and sit at the table. I'm so happy with it. But if you give it a try, please tag me. Let me know. It was so easy and delicious, you guys. Like, the kids loved it. I loved it. We were killing it. So I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And me, my family, my tablescape, my cake, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.